Welcome back to my channel, guys. This is my second video for my channel and I'm very excited because I will be taking you to Byron Bay. This is going to be really fun because we're getting the ute and we're like putting pillows and like blankets and a mattress down and we're going to sleep in our car for a few days. But yes, that's what we're going to do. Hopefully you guys will enjoy this video. It's going to be so much fun. Okay, bye guys, enjoy. Hey guys, so today is the day. We are going to Byron Bay. So we're leaving right now. We left really late, but we're on our way now. So this is where we slept last night. You can see it was kind of uncomfortable, but I kind of knew that was going to happen, but it was alright. We woke up to this spectacular view and I am so happy right now. I don't think I appreciate Australia as much as I should, because you know, like when you live in a place you don't really appreciate it, but when you visit it you're like, what? Well, I'm starting just to like visit Australia, not live here. So I am having sourdough bread with jam and butter. Cool thing though, everything is made here on the farm. This place is called The Farm in Byron Bay. It's like a 5-minute drive from Byron Bay. And yeah, everything's made here. The butter came from the cow over there. And we can see the jam, everything. It's kind of weird to think of because his bacon was also made here. But at least you know the pigs and cows are living a happy life. So that's a good side of it. Let's go look at the cows. There's little baby cows, guys. Hello. Do you want grass? So we are in the Crystal Castle and
there's crystals.
there is crystals. So, I think this place is pretty cool. I'm not super into like the whole crystal hippie stuff, but it's actually nice. Like, it's a really relaxing spot. It's just nice to walk in the like trees. There's like beautiful flowers everywhere and plants and just crystals everywhere, which are really pretty. So yeah, you don't really have to be a hippie crystal lover to come here. I think anyone can come here, so that's the good thing. But for the people who do love crystals, this is literally the best place in the world. My sister loves this place because she gets to meditate, relax, and she loves coming here a lot. So that's why I decided to come, because I was like, my sister likes this, so I'm gonna try it out and see if I like it too. So today has been a successful day. I've done everything I wanted to do. I have enjoyed myself very much, watching the sunrise and going to the Crystal Castle and just laying in the beach for hours and swimming. It was amazing. Buenos dias, amigos. We are going to the falls near Byron Bay and Nimbin. It's like halfway through Byron Bay and Nimbin. So that is our plan for today. So we are in Minion Falls right now, and we're about to go and see the falls and then walk all the way down. It takes an hour and a half apparently to get down there and another hour and a half to get back up. So I think it's one of the tallest around this area in New South Wales, so it's gonna be exciting. Look how amazing this view is. Like, look where we are right now. This is New South Wales, Australia. Pretty cool. It is 100 meters down from this point, but you can actually swim down there, so that's going to be really cool. So we just finished the walk. It was a very long walk. It took us 3 hours and a half. The view that we got from the bottom of the waterfall was definitely wow. But I'm tired now, very tired, and I'm ready to go home. So we are heading home now. This is our Byron trip done. Okay, well, bye! So if you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, because I would appreciate that so much. And I will see you next time with more videos like this.